Hi everyone, just a little bit of demo of the empty aircraft, just like a little story of what happens after you exit the aircraft. As you can see, this Boeing 737 is completely empty. The whole flight is completely empty. So a little bit of tour. So once you exit the aircraft, the cleaners come in and clean the aircraft. Catering to their own job is to cater the aircraft. This is first class, and behind we saw a coach. A completely empty aircraft. That's where the food goes, and that's where you exit. Pilot area. As a demonstration, that's where the flight attendants get their seatbelt. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks.